I want to give a quick update on my hydroponics, my hydroponic system. The red basil has come up. The lemon balm has come up. I've got toothache medicine right there that'll be coming out of that cap in a few minutes. That lemon basil is looking really good. Now back there, there's another lemon drop basil. That hasn't done anything. Nothing happening with the stevia. The dill has taken off. It's quite tall. I imagine I'll be taking it out pretty soon. Let me see if I can get to the other side. So on this side, I have a little sprout of rosemary coming up right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. The rosemary all the way to the back, and right there, there's nothing. But the very far one, all the way in the back, there's a sprout. There's a sprout there. So I'm probably going to replace the lemon drop basil, put a few more seeds in there, and then also in these two pods that don't have any germination of rosemary, I'm going to drop some more seeds in there. And while I'm on my table, let me just show you the other things that are sprouting that I planted from seed. So here's my nasturtium that's been up-potted, and there's another nasturtium. I'm experiencing a lot of yellow leaves, so I don't know what's going on. I read that they need nitrogen, so I put some bone marrow in there. And then at one point I put some coffee grounds. I don't know what this little one is right here. There's a couple sprouts. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is the Celosia coxcomb from CC. So I have a couple sprouts in there. And this here is my borage. The borage is doing good. Doing really, really good. All of these borages, some might be calendula. Yeah, this one is a calendula. So the fatter leaves, they look alike. The fatter leaves are borage. The skinnier leaves are calendula. So that's a mixture here. And then it has a, what do you call that? When something comes up in here and you don't know what it is? I don't know what this seed is or where it came from. I don't know. I believe these are pansies. They didn't come up in all four of these little pots. So I dropped some more seeds in here. Yesterday, I put some rosette tatsoi in these two. And this here, these are my magnolia blossom tendril peas. So they are really taking off. They're quite tall. I have knitting needles to hold them up, and their tendrils are wrapping around. I think this one here is a sorrel. Sorrel. Let me get that right. Jamaican sorrel. It's, I think, my only one that germinated. The other ones didn't. Yes, that's one from TikTik. So that one has come up. The other one's passed on me. And then, let me go back around to the other side. Okay, over here, I have more borage and calendula. Like this is calendula. I believe those two are borage. This looks like a calendula, and I believe this one is a borage. And then here I have, they're going to have to be separated. I have cherry tomatoes. And these round, small pots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are all lavender. And then I have some pansies in here. So everything is doing fairly well, coming along. I'm excited, ready for the weather to change so that I can get things out in the ground. But thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Take care.